King David reincarnated. King David reincarnated, but pitch black. They moving them seats back, preparing for impact. They listen for syntax to put out some more wax. They sent me this hot track, I sent them a bomb back. They calling their mom back like Freddie just palmed that. Shit them crossed over and dunked that. Hey yo, the Monkey King doing his thing, waiting in the wings for the fat lady to sing. Let her know she's on right after this song. I'm bringing hip hop back to the place it belongs. Make the people latch on and wanna pass the baton. The master ain't gone, he left me here to finish the song. So I answer the call, try to find some resolve. Put my mouth on this mic and get the people involved. Deep Space is the team, Night Owls is the theme. Here's a shot from North Texas to that LAC. Yo, been here since early light. Fists up if you're ready to fight. Too long have we wanted the night. Shot before the rocks do and let the clouds ignite. Listen, been here since early light. Fists up everybody if you're ready to fight. Too long have we wanted the night. Shot before the rocks do and let the clouds ignite.
I'm counting the cost of speaking my mind, while many in my community are seeking to find security within accessible means. My agape love is unrestricted to fiends, but it's sad because these same fiends will probably stone me, and these fiends are full of baloney and mostly my homies. This culture got me people pleasing, but I want their support, I don't want people leaving. Stage right out of my life, cage right south of the knife. Age might bow for my life, but the sage comes with a right side. Rather be hated for who I am than loved by who I'm not by so-called fam. I learned from my mistakes, dwell in the beta land, defeat evil, use it for good like a Mega Man. So I'm no longer hiding in my brush, I'ma take my brush, give it a transparent touch.
Yo, been here since early light.
Freddie Bruno and K-Drama, hidden in the bushes, Night Owls. We're gonna go into Braille again. Ivy Edition, Blessed Man.
Listen, been here since early light. Fists up everybody if you're ready to fight. Too long have we wanted the night.